Hello students, this is a video demonstration for the assignment called Setting Tabs. Step number 1 is to open a new document. You can do that by choosing File, New, and choose this blank document. And for the purpose of this assignment, I'm going to move my instructions over to the right side so you can see better what I'm doing, but you may want to have the instructions open so you can do the step-by-step process. So after you have the document open, you want to go to this first step, which is key in T-shirt, chart, centered, and bold. So T-shirt, T-shirt, chart. And to center and bold that, we use our center alignment function, which is found on the home ribbon, paragraph grouping. And again, it's this one that shows that it's in the center. And we're going to choose bold. Now the instructions say, align the insertion point on the left side of the page. So the insertion point is going to be this cursor. So you want it to be on the left side of the page, and you don't want it to be in bold anymore. So then you're going to click bold. The next step says, on the home tab in the paragraph grouping, click on the little launch button. So right, this little sorry about that. This little arrow will bring up this paragraph window. Then you're going to choose tabs here on the bottom. And now I'm going to bring over the instructions so you can kind of see where I'm at. So there's going to be a box where you enter the tab stop position and the alignment. Tab stop position, alignment, tab stop position, alignment, tab stop position, and alignment. I have to open that again. I can't have the instructions open and this box at the same time. Anyway, so the first tab position was 1 inch, the alignment was left, and then set. The second one on the list was 2.5 inches, and the alignment was center. Let me choose set. The third stop position was 3.75 inches, and we have decimal alignment, set. And the last is 5, and that is a right alignment, set. And once you've set all those, you click OK. And then you're going to start typing the paragraph that you see right here. So you're going to type 1, hit tab, T-shirt, tab, medium, tab, 495, tab, 32. So I'll demonstrate that. So make sure you don't hit a period, because if you were to put a period after the 1, Microsoft Word would understand that as like a bullet, and you don't want that. So 1, tab, T-shirt, tab, medium, tab, 495. So I'm not hitting space a bunch of times, I'm just hitting tabs, and it's tabbing according to how I set it. If you notice at the top, this is showing the first, the second, and the third, and the fourth tab stops. You can see that this little arrow is showing that it's aligned left. This one you can see that it's a center aligned tab. And this one also looks centered and it has a little decimal. And then this one is right centered. So you know this is where all your tabs are going to start. And number 32. And of course next. Oops, I forgot to hit tab. The whole point of the assignment. Shirt, large, $10.90. Number 145. 3, sweat, shirt. Oops. Small. Okay, if you misspell something, just right click and click on the correct spelling. Tab, $8.95. Number 4. Sorry, I can't type. Notice I just keep continuing to hit tab in between each thing I type. Okay, so once you've done that, you're finished with part 1 of this assignment. And the next instructions say to move your insertion point to the end of the t-shirt document. So that means move your insertion point, or this cursor, all the way down. So to the last sentence. So you usually have to hit enter to move the cursor down there. If you try to arrow down, unless you've already been there down on the document, it won't arrow down. So just choose enter. And then once you're at the end, you want to press enter 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. So make sure you have it at the bottom of the page and then hit enter another 3 times. Now you're going to type upper management. And again, like the top of the other one, the t-shirts, I can't type today. It's going to be centered and bold. And again, we're going to want to take that alignment off. So we're going to go back to left alignment and no bold. So you can tell the bold is on when the B is highlighted like that. And whatever alignment is highlighted is what alignment is. So we need it to be not bold and left alignment. Now, we need to go to the paragraph grouping, this little launch. We're going to go back to tabs, and we're going to choose clear all. So that's clearing the tabs that we just set for this second page. It won't clear it on the first page, but it is clearing it on the second page. Then click OK. Oh, sorry. Have the tabs open. You chose clear all, and then the next step would be to do 5.5 alignment right, and then 2 decimals, and then click OK. And now we're going to type this, and you're going to notice when I hit tab this time that the dots are automatically going to appear here, and the cursor will end up over here. I will type in this word, and it will automatically right align it so that it will look nice and clean. So it's kind of nice. You don't have to mess around with how many periods to put in between each word here. Okay, so we go your name, tab, notice those periods went there, and then Chief Executive Officer. See, that's kind of really nice. This is something you might use for a table of contents, and it's just a really nice fast feature where Word does all the calculating on the spacing. I'm not going to type all the names to this, but you, I'm sure, have enough of the idea of what to do to finish that part. And that is it for the rest of this assignment. Once you get the rest of the names typed in, you're finished. So save your work and submit it on Canvas. Raise your hand if you have questions. Thank you.